na vita watu wa Eldoret wafukuze wale wengine. There was nothing like that, and I can attest to that. Even Linturi himself, he's being accused of nothing. People are twisting his story, which is very unfortunate. And as Mama County Nyandarua, I feel so sorry and I feel sad to see people twisting Linturi's story to mean something else. We are a peaceful people. Sisi kama wana UDA, sisi tunataka amani. Linturi alisema kuna wale watu ambao wako hiyo bonde la ufa ambao hawasupport Ruto. That is what he meant. Na akasema hivi, hao watu wasichaguliwe. Hiyo ndio maneno alikuwa nayo. Ile jina tu alitaja ni hiyo ya madoadoa. But that is not what he meant. He meant something else. We have 3 people in Eldoret that does not support William Samoei Ruto. We have Kutuni, we have Mishra, and another one. And those are the people that we are saying they should not be re-elected.